The word nikawa literally means glue, adhesive. It's actually a type of glue that you use for sizing to create this coating or sealant or very thin membrane to deter the exposed material from absorbing the color or the pigment. In Japan, it is a very common material that we use in Nihonga, which is a Japanese water-based color paint. And usually the material where Nihonga paint on would be washi, Japanese handmade paper, or silk. To apply these water-based paint onto the material, artists here would need to size the fabric, size the silk, or size the washi paper first. So what exactly is nikawa? It's actually animal skin glue, and it is a very old traditional art material used probably since the pre-Renaissance time or also in Japan and China. And what makes animal skin glue? To produce animal skin glue, the makers would boil and process animal skins, sometimes including bones, of cows, deer, rabbits, pigs, sometimes even fish, to extract the collagen from them. After processing and drying, they become gel cubes or dry grains that looks like brown sugar. And the material, since it's all collagen, is water soluble. So to use it, you just dissolve it in water. To dissolve these dry powder, you can use a double boiler or warm water, or simply just add them to room temperature water and let it soak overnight, and then they will become applicable by brush. So the animal skin glue available in Japan, the most common ones would be cowhide glue, which obviously is made from cowhide, or rabbit skin glue. So if you're an oil painter, you are probably also familiar with this material. And then the third animal, which is also being used to make these animal skin glue, would be deer in Japan. At least that's the first time I hear about deer glue. So deer glue is a little more rare, especially these days, but it's a traditional material. Because of its rarity, there are quite a few manufacturers still making it right now, so the price tends to be, a little more expensive. And why so many different animals, and what's the difference? Deer glue is known as being the strongest, highest quality, and the most durable. It doesn't fade, it doesn't flake off or crack. So, especially if you think of sizing the whole scroll painting, the surface area is so big and things get moved around or stretched or rolled up, you would want to have such high quality sizing material. But obviously, for our purpose here is just to literally size or seal these very small areas that you can pretty much use, cowhide glue or rabbit skin glue. So that's a simple explanation of what sizing is. Hope it gives you a good idea about the concept.